I am Rupak. I am presenting my SIP reports of Student Internship Program of 2023 on behalf of Srimati M.P. Patel College of Commerce and Center for Professional Courses Study. My topic and my internship is on the Visa and Associates, that is a firm of chartered accountants, and that contains my PPT contains first the about firm, then second is the service, third is the customer, then fourth is the competitors, and fifth SWOT analysis, then after contact information, and then after the learning points. About the firm, my firm is B Sai and Associates, that is a chartered accountants and Sanjay Desai and Company. B Sai and Associates are the chartered accountants. So particularly my firm is established in 1990 and it is the most reputed company in the country. There are many hotels, cleaning firms and etc. industries, jeweler factories and etc. Many companies are involved in this firm to maintain their accountancy. The next point is it is a partnership firm with the Sanjay Desai. As a Sanjay Desai and company which is a work for tax consultants. The firm represents the special skills like financial advice, personal accounting facilities, etc. The firm have a regular interaction with the industry. Due to the regular interaction with the industry, we have their relation is very good, and there is no miscommunication chances. Next is the services. My company provides the services is first provide the GST. Company provide the GST in which they are a customer to maintain their GST taxes and accountancy. Then after taxation practice, then after advisor, and also they give GST return, income tax services and auditing. Income tax services and auditing service provided by my company, that is B Sai and Associates, and GST, that is we can say CGST, SGST is the return filing process, that is provided by the Sanjay Desai and company. The next is GST. So the goods and service tax is value added tax to be implemented in India from the 1st July in 2017. It is a comprehensive tax mechanism wherein all the measures of indirect taxes. The GST means the state where will share the central tax that is currently receiving fully with the center at the center level. The tax includes the final price and the paid by the customer at the point of sale and passed to the government by the seller. Different types of GST, that is SGST, CGST, IGST and UTGST. CGST, that is this is the whole table of CGST, SGST, IGST and UTGST. The first point shows the full form or of the all the CGST, IGST. The second point shows the what is the role of that GST in the government. The third point shows the what is the when it is applicable. So the CGST is the C stand for central, SGST that S stand for state, IGST that is I stand for integrated tax, and UTGST that UT stand for union and territories. When CGST is applicable, then this is applicable on the supplies within the same state. That is the intra-state. SGST is also applicable when the supplies within the state, that is intra-state. IGST is applicable when the supply is one state to another state, that is interstate supply. And UTGST is also Union Territories Goods and Service Tax, and this is same rate and states for goods service. It is also applicable when the supply from one state to another state. Process of the GST, that is we have to visit the GST portal www.gst.government.in. We have to first create 3D, then we have to SGST, that is the monthly we have to prepare for that. They have login site of GST, that is this return dashboard, and then we have to select the month for which month we have to fill in that Then we have to select that is 3D, R1 or R2, and then we have to process for EVC. From that we have to pay online tax. Then process to file OTP. They giving us OTP and we have to send that for a verification and status shown in the GST. This is the home page of GST in which we have to fill in the GST. Okay. Then our next slide is the GSTR1. GSTR1 is the form in which we are the forms concept of sales. When we have to pay the sales tax on the sales tax, we have to fill the GSTR1 form. GSTR2, that is the form of a purchase. When we have to only pay the tax on the purchase, then we have to fill the GSTR2 form. And GSTR3B, this is a form of when we have to pay the tax of purchase and sales both. Then we have to select the GSTR3B. This is the form of GSTR1 and this is the form of GSTR3B. GSTR3B form, which is the form of purchase and sale. This is the form already prepared in that website, and this is prepared in Excel. And this is only one page form. These have many more sheets like 1, 2, 3 in that. Purchase, sales and companies and etc. are given. Income tax. The tax is a part of an individual earning which is required to be paid to the government in order to generate revenue. In the mandatory liability for the every citizen of the company. There are two types of tax in India. First is direct tax and second is indirect tax. I told you about the GST, that is an indirect tax, and income tax. This is a direct tax of the company. Income tax last rate was without audit of the SSC year 2021 and 22. That is the 30th July 2022, and indirect income tax date with audit, that is the 31st December 2022. What happens if we miss the due date of the income tax? So this is the important one. If we miss the due date of the income tax return to fill, as per the section 234A, taxpayer who do not fill IT return with the due date have to pay the interest 1% at per month at the part of per month unpaid tax amount. A late fee of up to rupees 5,000 for the people who has the income, annual income more than 5 lakh to up to 10,000 if the income more than 5 lakh. In December, they paid after December but before the March ending. They have to pay 10,000. This is the tax rate or the slab system of the old regime as per the normal individual. So this is the tax slab. That is the old tax system of the India. That is the if the income of 0 to up to 250 lakh, 2,50,000, they have no pay of tax, and 2,50,000 to up to 5 lakh, they have to pay 5% of that income as the income tax. And this is the criteria of up to 5 to 750 lakh, that is 7.5 lakh 20%. And 750 or above, they have to pay 30% of the tax. The tax rate as a senior citizen who has age, that is 60,000. That is nothing is more changing. Only the income, that is first 0 to 2,50,000. That is nil, and in the senior citizen up to 60 years age, they have to pay. They have a more reliable than 250 lakh pay. This is in 250 lakh, that is a change of 3 lakh. Other than these, all are the same. And more than 60 and more than 80 lakh, more than 80 years of the people, they have to give the limits. They have free, that is up to 5 lakh, they have to pay no taxes. And above 5 to 10 lakh, they have to pay 20% of the total income, that is more than 5 lakh plus 4% of cess is added. And then above the 10 lakh, they have to pay 30% of income tax. More than 10 lakh plus 1 lakh and plus 4% tax. Taxed as per the new regime of the tax. This is the change. I told you this three regime. There is old taxation system of the India, and this is the new taxation system of India. This is the up to 2.55 lakh. There is a no. We have to pay no tax to the our income of the 2.5 lakh, and this is 2.5 to 50 lakh. We have to pay 5%. Every gap of the 2.5 lakh of income increases, we have to also increases the tax of 5%. Process of IT return. Income tax return process, we have to firstly visit the website of incometaxgovernment.in. Then after we have to choose the ITR form. That is ITR 1 stands for salary, ITR 2 stands for the other sources incomes like interest and etc. And ITR 3 is for the fill up the balance sheet, and ITR 5 is the partnership form. These are the forms of ITR in which you have to fill your income tax. If you are earning the salary, then you have to fill the ITR 1, and this type of the form are available in the income tax. And yes, this is the home page of income tax. In this we have to select the service from which we have to fill our IT return, and from that service we have to select it. Audit. Auditing is the systematic process of objective gathering and evaluating evidence relating to the exercise of electronic economic actions and events in which the individuals or organization making the assertions has been engaged, ascertain to the degree of correspondence between those assertions and established criteria, and communication to the result of users to the report which is the assertions are made. So auditing is must required, where it is a process of checking about the company which is going better or which is going in the loss. Taxpayer of the SSCR 2022 and 23. So this is the picture of the taxpayer of the year of SSCR. That is total 10 crore 74 lakh 16,016 individuals registered users in our e-filing income tax portal. From that, 6 crore 68 lakh 77,536 number of the returns are verified in the SSCR 2022 and 23. From that, 7 crore and 6 lakh 88,702 number of returns are filled in the SSCR 22 and 23. And 6 crore 43 lakh 61,794 users are verified of the under the income tax return of the SSCR 2022 and 2023 are processed. Our customers is the Shubham Industries, Astha Industries, Radhaswamy Honda, Tribhuvan Industries, Pasupati Cotton Spin, Shiv Shakti Cotex, Ambika Construction, and Sri Maruti Associates. Our competitors. This is the competitors. Our competitors is MS Fintex, VMB Associates. This is Dev Associates, Brijesh A. Patel, and Bowser and Companies. SWOT analysis of my industries. That is strength, weakness, O for opportunity, T for threats. So it is the top of the mind consultancy, and which has the experience in GST advisory and services. It is the strength of my firm. High debt, a different type of customer for dealing with the behavior, with their behavior. Outdoor of the office is lack of spacing. That is the weakness of my industry. Product of the service expansions, increasing demand of complicated solution, and these are the opportunities of the my firm. And development in the technology and many change in the market or ability to adapt shifts in the new customer stage. That is the threats of my firm. Contact information my industries, that is sorry, 9th 10th number of the shop on the second floor of Permanent Plaza near the fire station. This is a photo gallery of my industries. My learning, that is observe to deal with the client, how to deal with the client. Fill GSTR 3B, 3R1 and GSTR 9, that is I not mentioned in this, but I have learned that GSTR 9 is the annual return of the year, and calling the client with the get OTP generate GSTR 9. Getting the knowledge of how the HSN code or this is what, meet the client and communicate with him, and learn how to work e-webing. Thank you.